On the SP-5.3 and 5.3, when powered up, it will default to the aluminum welding screen. To change it over to silicone bronze for MIG brazing applications, we do this by simply pressing the silicone bronze trigger on the torch. Once we do that, you can see that it switches over to the silicone bronze screen. It will also default to a synergic mode. Many OEMs will require you to go from synergic to pulsed mode. To do this, we're going to simply press setup, and the first option is going to be synergic or pulsed. Use the right knob to change it to pulsed. Once highlighted, we're going to click the back or the mode button to bring us back to the main welding screen. Once we do that, we can now see that we switch from synergic to pulse mode. The only thing left to do is set your material thickness and you're ready to weld.